Good morning, grade 4. How are you all? I miss you. Today we will explain how we compare and order measurement. This is Lesson B, Unit 13. Our learning outcomes for today: to compare and order measurements in mixed units. So, we will learn how we compare and order length in different units, how we compare and order mass also in kg and gram, how we compare and order capacity in liter and milliliters. First of all, let's compare length. What we mean by comparing length? We have 3 color pencils here. Can you tell me which one is the shortest one? Excellent, the green one. And which one tallest? Good, the red one. So what we mean by comparing is to know which one shortest, which one longest. Now we will learn how to compare length using the units of length. Can you see here the 2 snakes? Good, we have one green and one yellow. Let's read the question. The yellow snake is 25 centimeters long and the green one is 150 milliliter long. Which snake is longest? So here we want to compare between the length of these 2 snakes. To know that, we have first to check the measurement of these snakes. The first one, 25 centimeter. The second one, 150 millimeter. I can't compare centimeter and millimeter. So what I have to do in this case? We have to write both length in centimeter, or if you want to write it in millimeter. But here we want to try to write it as centimeter. So the yellow one is 25 centimeter. Now the green snake is 150 millimeter. How we convert milli to centi? Good job, we divide by 10. So 150 divide 10 equal 15 centimeters. Now I have both length in centimeters, so easily I can compare. 25 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Which one longer? 25. Excellent. So the yellow snake is longer than green one. Let's practice more. This example asks you to put these lengths in order from shortest to longest. The length we have it 45 centimeters, 153 centimeters to 27 centimeters. So here we are lucky. Why? Good, because all the length in centimeters, so what you have to do only to compare the numbers. So what do you think? Which one is the shortest one? Which number is the smallest? 45, 153 or 27? Excellent, 27. Then 45 and the longest one 153. So when all the units are the same, don't do anything, just order the numbers. Third example, what can you see here? Good, we can see 2 giraffes. One is blue one is red. We want to know which one is the tallest one. Let's check the length for these giraffes. The first one is 4.2 meter tall. The second one 425 centimeter. So here we have one in meter, one in centimeter. Before I start compare, can you remind me what I have to do here? Excellent, we have to make the units same. Good. So here I want to write 425 centimeters in meter. So the red giraffe, it's 425 divide 100. To convert it to meter, we divide by 100. So the answer 4.25. We shift the decimal point 2 digits to the left. Now the length we have it 4.20 meter and 4.25 meter, both in meters. So just we have to compare the numbers now. Which one taller, 4.20, the blue one, or 4.25? 4.25, tallest. Good, taller than the blue one. Now let's practice the challenge question. Put this length in order from the smallest to the largest. The length we have it here. 800 centimeters, 3 meters, 50 centimeters, 6 meters, 3.5 meters, 200 centimeters. So we can find some length in centimeters and some in meters. So before we start comparing, what we have to do? Good, we have to write all centimeters or all meters, like you want. And before we start, remember that 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So here, let's write all in centimeter. The first one 8 centimeters, so I will not change, I will write it 8 centimeters. The second one 3 meter. To write it in centimeter from big to small, I multiply by 100, so it's a 3 centimeter. Now the third one 50 centimeters, it's in centimeters, so I will not change, I will keep it same, 50 centimeters. The fourth one 6 meters, so here we have to convert it to centimeter. Good. Multiply by 100, 6 by 100, it's 600, excellent, centimeters. Now 3.5 meter, also 3.5 or 3.5 multiply 100 equal 350 centimeters. The last one, it's in centimeters, so I keep it same. Now here in the left side or the second column, we have all the length in centimeters, so easily now I can compare between these lengths. I want to put it in order from smallest to largest. So tell me now, which one is the smallest? 800, 300, 50, 600, 350 or 200? Good. 50 is the shortest one or the smallest one. Then 200, good. Then good, 300, then 350. Excellent. After that, 600. Good. And the tallest one, 800 centimeters. Good job. So here we can see the order from smallest to largest. Always remember, I start ordering or comparing after I make all the units same. After we learn how we measure length or how we compare between the units of length, now we want to compare grams and kilograms. Before that, who can remind me why we use grams and kilograms? To measure what we are using it? Excellent, to measure mass. So the question here, which is heavier, 3,500 grams or 3 kilograms? Same steps in length. We can't compare gram and kilogram. We have to make the unit here same. So, to make that, who can tell me what fact could we use to help us to convert between grams and kilograms? What is the relationship between grams and kilograms? Excellent. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. So now if I want to convert from kilograms to grams, what I have to do? Excellent. I have to multiply by 1000. Now what about the inverse operation? If I want to do the inverse operation, I want to convert from grams to kilograms, we divide by 1000. Good. So here let's come back to our question. 3,500 gram and 3 kg. It's easier to multiply by 1000. So 3 kilogram, can you tell me how many gram? Excellent, it's a 3,000 gram. Now 3,500 gram heavier or 3,000 gram? Good job. 3,500 is heavier than 3 kilogram. Now let's practice. Amira has ordered the items on each shelf in her shop from lightest to heaviest. We want to check each shelf and correct any that are not in the right order. So here in this shelf we can see strawberry, cauliflower and apples. We want to check the mass for each and then check if she ordered it correct from the lightest to heaviest or incorrect. So start. The strawberry, the mass of the strawberry is 0.25 kg. So this is less than 1 kilogram. Second, 840 gram. Third, 320 grams. So here, as you can see, we have some units like strawberry in kg and the others in a gram. So let's write all in the same unit. You can see 2 in kg and 1 in kg, so it's easier to do this one in grams. 0.25 kilogram. How we make it a gram? We multiply by what? By 1000. Good. So 0.25 multiply 1000. Shift it 3 digits to the right. This is 250 gram. So now we have 250 gram, 840 gram, 320 grams. Now I want to ask you, does she order it correct from lightest to heaviest or no? Good, this is incorrect. Can you tell me now the correct order? Good. So the lightest one, 250, this is the smallest number for strawberry. Then 320 gram, then 840 grams. Good job. Now, the other example. Also, we want to check if she put it in order, all the fruits here, in order from lightest to heaviest. The mass for a grape, it's 0.65 kilogram. For grapefruit, this is 345 gram. For carrot, 584 kilograms. So now, before I start comparing, what I have to do? Good, I have to write all in same unit. We can see 2 in kg and only 1 in grams, so this one in grams I will convert it to kilogram. To convert from gram to kilogram, what we have to do? We use which operation? From small to big, we use divide. Excellent. Divide by what? Divide by 1000. So this is 345 grams divide 1000 give us 0.345 kg. Now I have all the masses in kg. So let's compare between these. 650, 345, 584. Which one is the lightest one? Grapefruit. Good. Then carrot. Then grapes. Excellent. So this is incorrect, and the correct one is in order. Grapefruit first, then carrots, then grapes. Now let us start comparing milliliters and liters. Like we compare length and mass, we will compare capacity. So before I start comparing, I have to write all the measurements in same unit. So for capacity, who can tell me the units we use it to measure capacity? Good, we use milliliters and liters. So I have to make both measurements in same unit. Here I have 7.3 liter, greater than, smaller than, or equal to 7,400 milliliters. Let's write both in same unit. What do you want to write it in, millimeter or liter? Okay, some say we want to write it in liter, both. Good. Why not? So let's convert 7,400 to liter. How we convert it? We divide it, good, by 1000 and it gives us 7.4. And if you want to write it in liter, we multiply 7.3 by 1000, and this is give us 7300 milliliter. So let's compare 7300 or 7400. Which is greater? Excellent, 7400. One more example. 6900 milliliter or 6.9 liter. Let's convert 6.9 liter to milliliters. 6.9 multiply 1000. I shift the digits the decimal point 3 digits to the right. So this is give me 6900. So both measurements are equal. Good. So here we use the equal sign. Now 9.6 liter or 9650 milliliter, which one is greater? Let's write 9.6 liter in milli. We multiply by 1000. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Yes, excellent. This is 9600. So now compare 9600 smaller than or greater than 9650. It's smaller than. Good job. Okay, this example, 3005 milliliter or 3.5 liter. Let's convert 3.5 liter to milli. Tell me which operation we use. Excellent. Multiply, and we multiply it by what? 1000. Good job. So 3.5 multiply 1000 equal 3500. Good. Now let's compare 3005 and 3500. Which one is greater? Good. 3500 greater than 3005. Now the challenge question. Are you up for the challenge? Good. Here, boys and girls, we want to challenge ourselves. How? Not only to order these capacities from smallest to greatest. No. We want to challenge ourselves to solve it fast. First, let's read the capacity for each one. First one for the paint tin is 1.5 liter, then 750 milliliter, 330 milliliter, 1.25 liter. Can you remind me 1 liter equal how many milliliter? Excellent, equal 1000 milliliter. So now if I ask you 750 milliliter, this is smaller than liter or greater than liter? Good, it's smaller than liter. And can you give me another item here smaller than liter? Good, 330 milliliter. So now for these in milliliters, both are smaller than liter. Okay, so tell me which one is smaller, 330 or 750 milliliters? 330. Excellent. So this is now the smallest, then 750 milliliters. Now between 1.5 and 1.25. Which one is smaller? 1.25. Excellent. And the greatest one, 1.5 liter. Good. So here I compare these and I order these mentally without doing the calculation of converting from unit to unit. So sometimes if I can do it mentally, it's better to do it mentally, and this is give you the answer faster.